What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we're gonna be taking on the TikTok sensation, I guess. It's called the hash brown avocado toast. So the wife found this on TikTok, millions and millions of views. Now, instead of making avocado toast with toast, this person used hash browns. Now I found these little 4 potato hash brown rounds, fancy ones at Sprouts. Guys, if you could use whatever hash brown patties you find. These are, kind of small, so we're gonna double them up for the serving. We're gonna make a little avocado mash, gonna make some sunny side up eggs, got a little bacon bits, got a little Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put all that over the avocado mash, put the egg on top of that, a little everything but the bagel seasoning is gonna go on top there too. All right, we're using my Ninja Foodi grill and griddle today, but guys, you can use your air fryer to heat up your hash brown patties. You can use the stove to do your eggs. Should take no time at all. Not much more to say. Let's get this thing going. Come over to the Ninja Foodi grill station, otherwise known as, that's right, my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, before we get started on anything, we're gonna go ahead and turn on our Foodi grill. Turn it to the barbecue griddle setting. 30 minutes is plenty of time, 400 degrees is perfect. We got our griddle plate in there. Hit start the preheating. Okay team, let's make our avocado mash. We're not quite making a guacamole here. We're not adding a bunch of stuff to it. The only thing we're gonna add is about half of a juiced lime. And we're gonna use a little of this garlic jalapeno rub from Kosmo's Q. So we cut open our avocado. Let's take that pit out. Give the avocado a couple scores in there. This makes it a little easier to mash up. Go ahead and cut up half the lime. Get your little lime smasher here, your lime juicer. Add our garlic jalapeno rub, probably about, a tablespoon or so. You guys can do it to taste. And then get to mashing all this up. This seasoning powder here has salt and pepper in it, along with, the other seasonings. So you don't need to add salt and pepper unless you really want it. Right, our mash is done. I left it a little chunky. I like a little texture in there. You can smash it up as much as you want. Okay team, it's time to add the food. We're gonna leave the lid open. We're just using the griddle surface. Again, I have these fancy schmancy hash brown patties because it's the only thing I can find. They are relatively small, a couple inches in diameter. So when I build this, I'm gonna build it with 2 patties. So we're gonna take 4 of these out. So we're gonna go ahead and cook these patties first. Gonna spray down a little avocado oil just for flavor right now. So they're about 4 minutes on each side. A little spray in there. When we flip the patties to cook the other side, we'll add the eggs on and they should all come together all at once. All right, ready to flip these patties. Looking nice and golden brown. All right, we're gonna get our 2 egg ring molds in. I've already sprayed them down with a little avocado oil. I'm gonna put a little bit in the middle just for flavor. Okay, pro tip, I crack all my eggs that I want a whole yolk into like a ramekin. That way it pours in real easy and you don't risk breaking it. Those will kick up real quick and we're ready to plate this dish. Okay team, time to plate this. I'm gonna use 3 of these little patties here just because it makes a nice kind of pyramid shape. I'm gonna pull these eggs off so they don't overcook. Get this extra hash brown off. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Goodbye. Let's get our avocado mash on these. We'll just kind of put a dollop on each. TikTok ain't ready for this. We'll throw a little shredded Parmesan on there. Just adds a little bit of a nutty bite to it. It's all about that flavor. Next up, some bacon bits, because why the hell not? Let's add the star of the show, our nice beautiful egg on top. Last thing, we're gonna top it off with a little everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. And of course, we need that yolky money shot right there. That looks good. All right, team, we're done. Looks like it turned out amazing. Can't wait to see how it tastes. Okay, we got our little hash brown avocado toast, not keto. Let's try it. It's pretty damn good. All right. All them TikTokers can't be wrong, I guess. Because you know CJ is on the forefront, cutting edge of TikTokness. Oh, I can't even say that with a straight face. All right, guys, that's the dish. Pretty simple to do. Use a griddle, use your stove, use your air fryer. You got some options here. If you guys want to get one of these Ninja Foodi grills and griddles, there's a link down below. Merch, cutting boards, knives, all that stuff is all down below. Hit show more. If you want to become a show producer like all these awesome people right here, scrolling on, you can see them right here. These are smart, beautiful, lovely people. You could be one too. Just hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit. But that does it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.